In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check meditation level in Project Mugetsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly meditate and see the meditation progress on your character in Project Mugetsu. I am going to be doing this on PC, but it's also going to work for mobile. So if you are doing it on PC, all that you have to do is press the K button on your keyboard. Immediately upon pressing K, you should see the meditation screen pop up. If you are on mobile, you will have to press this little meditation icon. Immediately upon pressing the meditation icon or pressing K, you will be able to input the keys shown on screen. Now you can clearly notice that I have a controller, so this is why I have controller inputs instead of the usual keyboard ones. And in here you can meditate. You just have to press the buttons that are displayed in quick succession, make sure you don't fail, make sure that you are focusing, and you will be good to go to meditate. If you look at the left side of the screen, you can actually see your progress. Now for me, it just has a bunch of question marks, but if you do have progress and you have an actual level, you will be able to see it there at the left. So if I go over to the meditation screen again, look here at the left, and they are going to tell you to please purchase meditation progress to view this. If you click purchase, you will be able to see your actual progress by purchasing this option here on the Robux shop. So you will have to click purchase to see the XP and the level. And after you do, you will always know the exact amount of progress that you have made until you reach your next milestone for meditation. So all that you have to do is access this screen by pressing K on your keyboard or clicking the meditation icon if you are on mobile, and then you will be able to see your progress and acquire the potion that allows you to do so. It is very straightforward, and you will always find the option whenever you go over to this menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to check meditation level in Project Mugetsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.